Welcome to Sunnywear Industry. Hello, I'm Vivi. Speaking to ESG is the great topic in our company these years. We have done the carbon footprint verification based on ISO 14064. We have set SBTi. 2020 is our best year. We aim to reduce Scope 1 and 2 GHG emissions 25% by 2030. Our near term is to well below 2 degrees by 2030. We also have used green power in our factory since May 2023, the solar power which is provided by third-party supplier. We also started to use post-consumer recycled material since 2021. Protect the earth with us. We are Sunnywear. Welding happy, welding healthy.